In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange LinkedIn profile sections. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for showcasing your professional journey and ensuring that your profile is organized to best reflect your skills and experience can make a significant impact on how you're perceived by potential employers, colleagues, and connections. Let's dive right in and walk through the process of rearranging the sections on your LinkedIn profile. First, let's start by logging into your LinkedIn account. You'll want to ensure that you have access to all the features needed to make these changes, and being logged in is the first step. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right of your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll see the Me icon, which essentially acts as your gateway to personal profile settings. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the View Profile option. Go ahead and select it. Now you're on your profile page, which offers a detailed view of all your professional highlights. Take a moment to scroll through and spot the section you want to reposition. This might be your experience section, your skills, or maybe even your recommendations. You'll notice each section has a small Edit icon, which looks like a pencil, situated towards the right. Clicking on this pencil icon will enable editing features for the selected section. Next, we're looking for the More icon found in the upper right corner of each section. This is generally represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this gives you additional options. Among them, you'll find Reorder. Choose this to open a Reorder pop-up window. Here's where the rearranging happens. Within this pop-up window, you'll see a list of all the subsections or elements within your main section. Each of these has a Reorder icon next to it, usually depicted as a series of horizontal lines. To move a specific item, click and hold this Reorder icon and drag it up or down to your desired position in the list. This is a drag and drop action, so feel free to experiment with different placements until you find the order that best showcases your profile. Once you've positioned everything just right, you can close the pop-up window by clicking the X icon at the top. There's no need to worry. LinkedIn automatically saves your changes, allowing you to focus on presenting your best professional self without the hassle of manual saves. And there you have it, a seamlessly rearranged LinkedIn profile that now emphasizes your key skills and experience in the order you prefer. By keeping your profile relevant and organized, you enhance your visibility and make a lasting impression. Be sure to review and tweak your profile regularly to reflect any new achievements or changes in your career. Thanks for tuning in. It's time to go make your LinkedIn shine.